what's going on, guys? I'm so excited today because this is my Olympia 2021 prediction. So I'm gonna predict the Mr. Olympia 2021. Well, before I'm gonna going into my prediction, we see the lineup and the competitor list in the Mr. Olympia 2021. Okay, we see this competitor list. There is so much competitor list and this is really hard match up Mr. Olympia because all of these guys, all of these competitor is really hard battle. Like we know, Ian Valier is winning back to back from the Tampa Pro to Texas Pro. Also, we have the Nick Walker winning back to back also at the New York Pro and Arnold Classic 2021. And we have the Mr. Olympia 2020, which is the winter, Big Remy. We have the Mr. Olympia 2019, which is the Brandon Curry, the Camel Crew. We have Wolf, who really hungry, like they said, okay, the Hardy Chupan. And another James Hollingshead, Regan Grimes, Kim Williams, Justin Rodriguez, and anything else, okay? So, you can see the lineup. So, let's get into my prediction. So, this is, I'm gonna predict it in the top 6, not the top 10, because I'm not think I'm able to doing that. So, this is my top 6 prediction for Mr. Olympia. In the 6th place, I believe is James Hollingshead gonna take the 6th place for Mr. Olympia 2021, which is this year. Why? Because I think I have Ian Valier before in the 6th place, but I'm gonna refer to James Hollingshead in the 6th place because I believe James Hollingshead could beat Ian Valier because structurally the improvement so much Ian Valier make for Mr. Olympia 2021. So, in the 5th place, I have the William Bonac. William Bonac in the 5th place. Why? Well, I think for the most like structurally, the mass, the freakiest, and the half-tone package muscle in the P6, I think William Bonac is one of them, okay? Same thing like a Nick Walker too. William Bonac and Nick Walker is really the similar P6, I think. The structure is really looks similar. I have the William Bonac in the 5th place. Overall, for his package, for the conditioning, William Bonac is in the 5th place. On the 4th place in Mr. Olympia 2021, I'm predicted the Nick Walker. Okay, maybe some all of you is don't agree or maybe agree with me, but I think a lot of you is really not disagree with me because why you take the Nick Walker is really too high or maybe too low for his level, okay? But I'm sure Nick Walker it could be on the top 3, but I have Nick Walker in the 4th place because we still have the Hardy Chupan, we still have the Brandon Curry, and we still have the Big Remy, which is my top 3 Mr. Olympia 2021, and which is the most all of the people in the world who really know the bodybuilding. These 3 guys is gonna be on the top 3. Of course, in their prediction, okay? I believe Nick Walker is could be, maybe could be top place higher than my prediction. Well, I believe for his confidence, for his belief in himself, for his improvement, his working out, and anything else, all of the part of the Nick Walker, I believe Nick Walker is gonna be deserved on the place higher in Mr. Olympia 2021. But in my prediction, I think Nick Walker gonna be on the 4th place. And on the 3rd place, we have the Hardy Chupan. Well, I think there's a lot of the people who really hard to think who gonna be top place higher between the Hardy Chupan and the Brandon Curry. Or maybe Hardy Chupan and Big Remy. So much people really have the trouble and problem to take this top 3 in Mr. Olympia 2021. These 2 guys is really, the legend is really have the most intention from all of us. Okay, but I have the Hari Chupan in the third place, and I believe the second place is Brandon Curry. Not because Brandon Curry have the second place like last year, because I believe the Brandon Curry is gonna be improving so much, improving hard battle so much in Mr. Olympia 2021, and I think Brandon Curry is gonna be coming more bigger, coming in the more size, and I hope in the coming in more conditioning at the same time too. And of course I have hopes Brandon is can coming with the improvement of his legs, okay? Because like we know the weak points of Brandon Curry is his legs. But I believe in Mr. Olympia 2021, the Abdullah coach, which is the Brandon Curry coach, could bring the legging body part of Brandon Curry. And this year, okay, your Mr. Olympia, your winner, your favorite, the most, yeah, who else? The Big Ramy. Yes, I have the same prediction with most of the people and most of the guys. I think Big Ramy could be Mr. Olympia this year, and he's gonna be return his title from the 2022 to 21. This is just my prediction, okay? I believe Big Ramy is really coming so much improving on his conditioning and his size, because the coach nutritionist and the coach training is really elite level, okay? The Chad Nichols as the coach nutritionist and the Dennis James as the coach training, and I believe Big Ramy is getting so much special attention from these two legends in the big names of the bodybuilding. So that's the wrap up, guys. That's my prediction in the Mr. Olympia 2021. This is just my prediction. I'm not saying this is gonna be happening, really happening in Mr. Olympia. No, we all have the same prediction. So I'm looking forward, guys. I would love to see who is your prediction and who is your favorite in the Mr. Olympia 2021, which is this year our favorite show in the world. So I'm your host Johan Sagala signing out. Thank you so much guys for watching. May God bless you all.